Hello everybody and welcome to Cam and the fam. Guys, I'm making some roast today. As you can see, it's a nice piece of meat. It's a really good piece of meat. So I put some olive oil on the top, and so we're going to use some beefy onion Lipton soup. We got some garlic powder, we got some W sauce, we got some onion powder, we got cornstarch, we have mushroom soup, cream of mushroom, and we have some black pepper. So we've already put olive oil on the top. Oh, we have some bell peppers and some onions, but I'll show you guys that when I get ready to put it in. So we already have our olive oil on the top, and what I do is I take my knife or fork and I just puncture holes in it because we want all of this good flavor to get in this meat. We're gonna let this meat cook for about 2.5 hours. So y'all know whatever I'm putting on this meat is gonna go right on the inside. So we're going to start out with our garlic powder. We're gonna add some black pepper to this. We're gonna add some onion powder. We're going to add our W sauce. And normally I will let this marinate overnight, but I don't have the time. Kind of hung out with the family. So now I'm getting ready to add in some of my onion, my beefy onion. And when I tell y'all, this is going to give this some very good flavor. It's going to give it some good flavor. But we got to put our Goya in. And I forgot to show you guys that. So we're going to add some Goya. And I have a little pack of Goya. I'm not going to pour the entire package in. I'm just going to season the top just a little bit because we got so many flavors already. And we're also going to put potatoes in here. We're going to put some carrots in here. We probably put some corn in here. But for right now, we're going to wait until this have cooked for at least a couple of hours. Okay? Then we'll probably cook it for like maybe an hour and a half. See what it's doing the last hour, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. Then that's when we're going to add in the potatoes and everything. So putting our bell peppers in here. And you can fry this, but we taking our time, right Cam? Mm-hmm. And I thought I had some more beef broth, but I don't. But that's okay though, guys, because we're going to add some cream of mushroom in here. This is getting ready to be good. That's why we have the cornstarch too, because that's going to thicken up our gravy. So we're going to just pour the corn. We're going to pour the mushroom soup just around it. It don't have to be pretty. And we're going to go in with just a little water. And that's not even a half a bottle of water. So we're going to mix that in just a little bit, get it started. And we're going to allow this guys to cook for an hour and a half, and I'm going to bring you guys back. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you all, we're gonna cook this on 375 degrees for 2 hours. We're gonna check it, and that's when we're gonna add our carrots and our potatoes in here. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we just took our meat out of the oven. It's been cooking for 2 hours. So you all know we didn't have any beef broth. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove our meat. Gonna sit it over here. And what we're getting ready to do now, we're getting ready to add some, this is some brown gravy. And this is our last hour of cooking. So it has to cook just a little bit longer. So we're gonna add a little more water in here. And before, when I thought that I had some beef broth, I was gonna thicken it up. But between this mushroom soup, we don't need to thicken it up, guys. It's decent. So we're gonna pour the last little water in. This is about 1.5 cups of water that we used earlier. So we're gonna stir that in. And our roast, we're gonna slice this. Cameraman, do you have this? Oops. And you can see it still need just a little more cooking, because the longer it cooks, the tender it gets. So we're gonna cook in another hour, but we're making little, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll cut it first and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, so we cut our roast. It's got to cook a little longer because it's not as tender as we want it. Oh, I thought this was just for me and Pops.
No.
Huh?
Nope. I'm here for tonight.
Did you say what?
I'm here tonight.
No. So now guys, we're getting ready to add our carrots. Too bad Key and Cam is not going to be at home.
Yeah, yes I am. You think I'm going to just record this and not eat?
That's the plan.
Yeah, well, I'm here tonight.
And I only paid $8 for this roast, so that's a deal. So now we're getting ready to add our potatoes. Why is you going to eyes? You're not eating.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. What, you thought I was playing?
Do you need me to record this video? Yes, right. So this is, yeah. I give you $4 for the $8 thing that you paid.
We have a few more. We have the last of the onion. I'm going to throw that back in.
You say an hour? Man,
1 hour.
Man, this smells so good.
So I'll let this gravy get on top of these potatoes. And when I tell y'all, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I did taste a little bit of the meat. It has a really good flavor. So we're gonna put this back in the oven. Oh, I didn't put any garlic. Let me put some minced garlic on here. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, so we have our minced garlic, and I'm going to pour not only the garlic, but I'm gonna put some of the juice in as well. You know, you taste your food and you say, it's something missing. We're gonna put a little more of this juice in here. And we're gonna let this cook for 1 hour, guys, and we will be back. Well, guys, as you can see, this is the end of the video. Look, oh, it's spinning. Y'all look at how it turned out. Look at that gravy. But if you guys remember, I ran out of the beef stew. I'm sorry, I ran out of the beef broth, and that's why I added the brown gravy. I'm gonna make a plate, and I'm gonna bring you guys back. So remember, if you do have the beef broth, I'm sorry, if you guys have the beef broth, you don't need the brown gravy. Just take your mushroom soup and add your beef broth in there, and you will get the same results. So I'm getting ready to make a plate, and I'll bring you guys back. Well guys, as you can see, this is the end of the video, and this is our dinner. So I have some roast with white potatoes and carrots. I have some corn on the cob, and I have some mac and cheese. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to know how I made this meal, then go check out my playlist, Cooking with Mama Cinnamon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!